Welcome back to GigaBits, where PC problems actually get real fixes. You open the Xbox app on your PC to launch a game, install a Game Pass title, or join a party, and nothing works. The app won't open, it gets stuck loading, it crashes instantly, or downloads refuse to start. In 2026, the Xbox app is still essential for PC gaming, yet these issues remain incredibly common. So what's actually breaking the Xbox app on PC, and how do you fix it the right way? I'm breaking this down because Xbox app issues on PC are rarely random. Most problems come from Windows services not running properly, corrupted app data, outdated system files, or Microsoft Store sync failures. I reviewed the most common Xbox app errors and focused only on fixes that consistently work in 2026. PC users report the Xbox app not opening at all, infinite loading screens, sign-in failures, downloads stuck at 0%, missing Game Pass titles, errors tied to Microsoft Store integration. Sometimes the app opens, but nothing actually functions. Start by restarting your PC. This resets frozen Xbox services. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Missing updates often break the Xbox app. Open Microsoft Store and install all updates, including gaming services. Reset the Xbox app. Go to Windows Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, find Xbox, and use Repair or Reset. Reinstall gaming services using PowerShell. This fixes most download and Game Pass issues. Sign out of the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, then sign back in using the same account. Check Windows services and confirm Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Networking Service, and Xbox App Services are running. Disable VPNs and third-party firewalls temporarily. They often block Xbox connections. So how do you fix the Xbox app not working on PC in 2026? Update Windows, reset the app, reinstall gaming services, verify Xbox services, and confirm account sync. In most cases, these steps restore full functionality. For more PC fixes, gaming guides, and clear tech solutions, make sure to follow GigaBits, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials.